Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel Books in Bag. How are you all? I hope you are keeping well. Let's start our today's session, but before moving ahead, I request you all to kindly like the video, share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon. There is a comment section below. Don't forget to comment. So let's begin our today's session. What is our today's session? Let me talk about it. Today we will be talking about assessment worksheet. Sixth assessment worksheet of subject science and for class 6th. Let's start. There are some instructions given over here. Let's read them. This assessment sheet is of 20 marks. So basically for after completing the worksheet you will get 20 marks, and it has been divided into two sections. It has section 1 and section 2. In section 1 there are short answer type questions, whereas in section 2 there are long answer type questions. Section 1 contains questions that are of 2 marks and question number 2 is of 3 marks, whereas section 2 contain question which is of 5 marks. So we must make sure that we answer the questions accordingly. So let's begin with section number 1. Okay, so our first question is write your answer in 1 or 2 lines. First part is name the colored part of the flower. Why are these colorful? Petals are colorful parts of plant, and why they are colorful? Because they attract insects for pollination. Next question is what are sepals and write its functions. Sepals are green leaf shaped structure of outermost part of flower. Sepals protect the flower when they are in bud stage and support the petals when blooms. Next question. Name the male reproductive organ of a flower. Write its different parts. Stamen is the male reproductive organ of a flower and its other parts are anther and filament. Next question is, okay, what are ovules? Where are they located in flower? Let's get to the answer. What we can write over here. These questions and answers will give you a reference how you can answer. So don't take it by heart. You can do modification as well. Okay, ovules is the structure that give rise to and contain the female reproductive cells. Ovules are located inside the portion of a flower called gynoecium, or we can say carpel, or we can say pistil. All the three are same name, are name of same part. Next question E. What do you mean by pollination? Pollination is the act of transferring pollen grains from male anther of a flower to female stigma. Next question F is what are the functions of a flower? Flowers are main source of reproduction. Second function could be flowers attract insects and help in pollination. Next question is comparatively big. It's little lengthy as compared to the question number 1. Why? Because it has 3 main parts asked in the questions. Let's read them. Name the female reproductive part of a flower. Name its different parts and draw its diagram also. So you have to draw, you have to name the female reproductive organ, and you have to even give the parts, different parts of female reproductive system of flower. So the answer is pistil or gynoecium is the female reproductive part of a flower, or you can also call it as carpel, and its different parts are stigma, style and ovary. Okay, so this is the basic diagram of a pistil or gynoecium. What it has It has stigma, style, ovary and ovary wall. So these are the three basic parts of carpel, or we can call it as pistil, or it can be also called as gynoecium. Okay, so let us move ahead to next question. This is the third question, an important one as well. Why? Because it carries maximum marks. The question is, what is photosynthesis? Where does it occur in plants? What are the things required by the plant in this process? So, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process of preparation of food by green parts of the plant. This is first part answer. Next, where does it occur? It occurs in basically all green parts of the plant. It could be stem, it could be leaf. Okay. What are the things required by plant in this process? What are the things required during the process of photosynthesis? They are carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and synthesis and sunlight. In the presence of these things, photosynthesis process occur. Absence of any one of them will not lead to the process of photosynthesis. Okay friends, that's it for today's class. I hope it was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy and healthy. Bye bye. See you in next class.